Begin. Topics to be covered: to know about the major constituents of air, nitrogen, oxygen, vapor, etc. To know about the structure of layers of atmosphere. To know about the difference between weather and climate. To know about the elements of weather and climate. Composition of the atmosphere. Gases. Nitrogen and oxygen are the main gases in the atmosphere. Oxygen is important for living organisms and combustion. Carbon dioxide is used by plants for photosynthesis and acts as a greenhouse gas. Ozone protects the earth from excessive heat from the sun. Water vapor. Air has a little bit of water vapor. Water vapor makes things like clouds and rains. It can also create fog, dew and frost. Water vapor is important for the weather. Structure of the atmosphere. We learn about the atmosphere from rockets, radar and satellites. The atmosphere is made up of different layers. The layers are named troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere. Each layer has different temperatures and pressures. Troposphere. The lowest layer of the atmosphere is called the troposphere. All weather phenomena happen in this layer. Temperature decreases as you go higher. The troposphere is important for all forms of life. Stratosphere. The layer above the troposphere is called the stratosphere. It is about 50 km high and has no clouds. The stratosphere has ozone that protects us from harmful rays. It is important for flying, airplanes and living things. Mesosphere. Mesosphere is a layer above the stratosphere. It is between 50 and 80 km high. It gets very cold, that is minus 80 degrees Celsius at the top. Meteoroids burn up when they enter this layer. Thermosphere. Thermosphere, upper part of the atmosphere with high temperature. Ionosphere reflects radio waves and protects from X-rays. Layers in ionosphere. D, E and F layers reflect different radio waves. Exosphere, uppermost layer with low density and limited knowledge. Weather and climate. Climate affects land, soil, vegetation and people's life. Climate is different from weather which changes daily. Weather can affect people's mood. Climate is the average weather over long periods. Temperature. Temperature is a measure of heat in the atmosphere. Sun provides heat but it is not evenly distributed. Factors affecting heat are sunlight duration and angle. Temperature decreases from equator to poles affecting cities and villages. Pressure. Air is a mixture of gases with weight. Air pressure is the weight of air above per unit area. Temperature affects air pressure, high temperature, lower pressure. Air moves from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. Wind. Wind is air in motion. Wind can be strong and difficult to walk against. Winds are named based on their direction. There are three types of winds: permanent, seasonal and local. Moisture of humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. Humid days have a lot of water vapor. Humidity affects things like drying clothes and precipitation. There are two types of humidity: absolute and relative. Precipitation. Water goes up and gets cold. Drop of water comes together to make clouds. Heavy drops fall as rains or snow. Rain is liquid, snow is solid ice. Types of rainfall. There are three types of rainfall: conventional, orographic and cyclonic. Conventional rainfall happens when warm air rises and cool. Orographic rainfall occurs when mountains force air to rise, causing rainfall. Cyclonic rainfall is associated with cyclones and depressions. Thank you.